Hello everyone, my name is Fatin Fayad. I will present the Microsoft 2010 with my group friends Erwan, Fahri, Izuri, and Farel. Well, I present the menu of the home. First icon is function add content on the clipboard to your document. Next, is icon function remove the selection and put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Next icon, icon is function put a copy of the selection on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Next icon is icon function is pick a new font for your text, and icon is function make your text bold, and icon italic your text, and icon is function underline your text. This icon is function cross something out by drawing a line through it. This icon is function TP very small letters just below the line of the text. This is a function icon TP very small letters just above the line of text. This is icon is function make your text a bit bigger. This is a function icon make your text a bit smaller. This is icon is function change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalization. This is icon is function make your text pop by highlighting it in a bright color. This is icon is function remove all formatting from the selection, leaving only the normal unformatted text. This is icon is function change the color of your text. This is icon is function create a bullet list. And this is icon is function create a number list. This is icon is function create a multi-files list to organize item or create an online. This is a function icons move your paragraph closer to the margin, and icon is function move your paragraph further away from the margin. This is a function icon align your content with the left margin, and icon is function center your content on the page, and icon is function align your content with the right margin, and icon is function distribute your text evenly between the margins, and icon is function shows how much space appears between lines of the text of between paragraphs. Icon is function change the color behind the selected text, paragraph, or table kill. This is icon is function adds remove border from your selection. And fine. Okay, next the menu insert icon. First icon cover page is function your document will make a great first impression with a style cover page. Blank page icon is function add a blank page anywhere in your document. Page break icon is function and the current page here and move to the text page. Table icon is function a table is great well to organize information within your document, and icon is picture insert is function insert picture from your computer or from other computer that you're connected to. Icon online picture is function find insert picture from a variety of online source. Next, icon draws a shape. Its function insert ready-made shapes such as circles, squares, and arrows. Smart art icon is function insert a smart graphic to visually communication information. Charts icon is function make it easy to spot patterns and traits in your data by inserting a bar area or line chart. Screenshot is icon quickly add a snapshot of any window the open on your desktop to your document. The F4 of its icon is function insert an app into your document and use the web to enhance your work. And next icon online video is function find insert videos from a variety of online sources. Hyperlink icon is function create a link your document for quick access to web page and file. Next icon bookmark is function bookmark work with hyperlinks to let you jump to a specific place in your document. Next icon a course reference to specific place in your document such as headings, figures, and tables. A comment icon is function add note about this part of the document. Header icon is function help you to repeat content at the top of every page. Further in function help you repeat content the bottom of every page. Next icon page number is function number the page in your document. Text box icon is function got must see content put in text box. Icon word art is function add some artistic flair to your document using word art text box. Drop card is function create a large capital letter the beginning of a paragraph. Signature line is icon is function insert a signature line that specific the individual who must sign. Date and time icon is function quickly add the current date or time. Object icon is function is insert embedded object such another Word document or an Excel chart. Equation icon is function add common mathematical equation to your document such as the area of a circle or the quadratic formula. A symbol icon is function add symbols that are not on your keyboard.
My name is Farel. I will introduce to the menu of the design part 1. This is icon for giving you instant style and stamps use unique color, font, and effect to create consistent displays and feels. This is icon serve to change the color used in your document in selecting or different color palette. This is icon function to change the text in your documents by using a new font. This icon is to change the general appearance of object in your document. This icon is to change the view of the document to default. This icon gives the watermark to packed document. This icon gives color to the back of the document. Icon add of change the border around the back of the document.
Hello, my name is Erwan Juanda. I will mention the function of the page layout menu in Microsoft Word. The first one is margin. Margin icon is a command in the layout menu that function to adjust the spacing of writing text in a document. Now orientation on the Microsoft Word function to adjust the orientation or position of the paper when printed, whether a portrait or upright or landscape or slanted. Now size can be used to set the paper size, for example to A4 or A3. Column function to set the number of columns in one sheet. Now breaks command serves to break or separate paragraph or writing into other pages or column. Line number or line have function to set the document numbering for each line. Now hyphenation or hyphenation have function to adjust sentence hyphens. Now indent used to adjust the distance of paragraph to the margin or the amount of distance the paragraph indents to the left and right. Now spacing function serves to adjust the distance between paragraph or line. Another menu, position. This menu is used to adjust the position of the image on the paper. Next, wrap text. Adjust the position of the image to the text. Next, bring forward. Adjust the image to show that it is in front of the text. Next, send backward. Adjust the position of the image so that it is behind the text. Next, selection panel is a panel to set objects such as image shapes to hide, appear, or make it easier to select all to or some specific object. Next, align. Adjust the alignment of the image to the text. Next, group. This menu have function to unite several objects or images into one for easy organization. Next, rotate. This menu have function to rotate the tilt angle of image or photo. Thank you.
The reference icon table is content. Its function provide an overview of your document by adding a table of contents. Next icon add text. Its function include the current heading in the table of contents. Next icon update table. Its function refresh the table of contents so all entries refer the correct page number. Next icon, insert footnote, is function at the node at the bottom of the page, providing more info about something in your document. Insert at note icon is function at a note like a comment or citation, providing more info about something in your document. Next icon, next font, is function jump to the next footnote. The show notes icon is function jump to the footnotes or add notes in your document. Insert station icon is function created a source of information by citing the book instead of the other material it comes from. Main source icon is function organize the source city in your documents. Style is icon is function choose the citation style for your document, such as APA style, Chisago style, or Mela style. Bibliography icon is function list all your source in a bibliography or works citation. Insert caption icon is function label your picture or object. Insert table of figures is function at least caption object and their page number for quick reference. Update table is function the table of figures to include all of the entries in the document. Cross reference icon is function refer to specific place in your document, such as heading, figures, and tables. Make entry icon is function add the selected text to the index. Insert index icon is function add an index listing keywords and the page number they appear on. Icon is next icon update index is function update the index to so that all the entries refer to the correct page number. Mark citation icon is function at selected text of authorities. Insert table of authors is function at list of the case status and other authorities cited in your document. Update table icon is function update the table of authorities to include all of the citation in the document.
Explain about my link. This is my link. Group create. Envelope. Create and print writing about the sender and recipient of the letter of the envelope that we will make. And labels, create and print labels according to the shape and size that we will print. And two group start mail match. Start mail match creates a manageable mail for the many people at once, either regular mail of the electronic mail. And selection receipt create and manage and mailing list. Edit the recipients list, editing the mailing list. And 3. Group group the insert field. 1, 2, 3, 4. Highlight major plate. Detecting and correcting incorrect information related to the letter we are currently composing. Address block. Address block. Enter the destination address in the letter that we make. Greeting line. The greeting line adding the name of the recipient of the letter. Insert merge field. Insert major field. Enter additional information about the recipient of the letter. Low, low, rules, rules add and combine action. The session on mail by taking advantage of available cloud strike. Match field. Check and match the recipient identity so that there are no duplicate recipients. Update label. Updating mailing labels according to the current state. Group preview result. Preview result view the mailing and the list of recipients that have been created. Find recipients. Search for the identity of the recipient of the letter according to the list of recipients of the letter that has been made. Auto check for error. Automatically check for the error in the create mailing. And then finish measures carry out follow up action after the written letter is complete and completed. Thank you.
Okay, next part menu review. Icon, phrase icon, spelling and grammar is function not on your words. Let us check your spelling and grammar. Define icon is function not sure what a word means. Find out. This is icon is function the thesaurus is function loose for words. Let's suggest another way to say what you mean. Word icon is function word characters line. We count them so you don't have to. Translate icon is function translate text into a different language by using bilingual direction and online service. Language icon is function choose the language for providing tools such as spelling check. Next, icon new comment is function add a note about this part of the document. Delete document icon is function delete the selected comment. Previous icon is function jump to the previous comment. Next icon is function jump to the next comment. Show comment is icon is show comment icon is function sell the comment alongside the document. Track change icon is function keep track of the change made to this document. Simple markup is function choose how do you like to see change in this document. Next icon show markup is function choose what types of markup to show in your document. Next icon review pane icon is function show all the change to your document in a list. Accept icon is function the keep the change and move on to the next one. Reject icon is the function undo this change and move on to the next one. Previous is icon is function jump to the previous track change. Next icon is function jump to the next track change. Compare icon is function two document to see the difference between them. Black authors is function to keep others from making change to the selected text. The rhetoric editing is a function limit how much other can edit and format the document.
Read mode. This view will open the document in full screen. This view is especially used for reading large amount of text or if you just want to review your work. Print layer. Useful for displaying document in Microsoft Word as the will appear when print. Web layer. This is to set the location of the web browser. Now window. Open the Apple's view in another window. Right alt is to see, right or adjust the position of an image in a paragraph. Spill. Useful for spill the MS Windows wall into two part to and bottom. Switch window. For switch computer usage with or closing the program. Macros as the automation of a command that is often from it or repeated.
Even if we decide for a new path in life.